If you're one of the people that uses these to hold your cameras, inevitably you're going to end up with one of these that you can see is broke. Big question is, where's that little nub? Is it broken off inside your camera? And number two, what do you do to fix this? The solution is to drill it out and insert steel screw inside it to replace the brass so it won't break. Now you could take this, file this off, trim it all the way down level, drill it and tap it for a 1/4 20, because that's what it is, 1/4 inch bolt, 20 threads per inch. Put it in there and trim it all up, make it look nice. But let me show you how I do it. So if you're lucky enough to have a lathe, you can chuck that up in your lathe. If you don't know, a 1/4 20 screw uses a number 7 drill bit. All thread, green Loctite. Double nutted these so you can screw them in. PM me. I'll tell you where to send them and I'll get them fixed for you. Thanks.